Sponsored by Win-Win Technology. Take advantage of our end of summer promotion, offering a $30 off bundle discount on the whole test takeout panel controls through September 2021.
Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing very well. We've just been given early access to the Mosquito FB Mark 6. Let's look at a cold start. So first, check the wheel parking brake lock is on and engaged. You can see it in that configuration there. It is engaged. If I were to unlock it, I would need to push full brake, then press left Alt and Tango like that, undo the brake, undo, and that's it locked again. Next, electrical power switch. A little hard to get to. It's that one there. Right click, power on. Next, some visual cockpit checks. First, voltmeter should be reading at least 24 volts, and it is. Next, bomb bay doors, check they're closed, and they are, and check the lever is in neutral position, and it is. Bomb control panel, check that everything is in the up position and turned off, 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 all off, and close the cover. Undercarriage handle safety catch, and check it's engaged. So that's this one here, and that is in the engaged position. And air pressure behind the stick, we want 200 psi. You can see that needle at the top of that gauge there, reading over 200 psi. So we're good. Next, fuel set to outer tanks. You would normally press the 2 key and jump to the navigator seat, but we're in multiplayer, we can't do that. So I'm going to zip my little head over here. I'm going to go outer tanks, outer tanks. Next, both left and right throttles forward slightly. These two guys here, and here we go, just cracked open. Next, RPMs fully open, or fully up. Supercharger switch, ensure that it is in the down position there, and it is. Both radiators to off, off, and off. Next, fuel tank back here, pressure venting on, ping. Fuel transfer cock off, which is this one here, and it is in the up position. That means it's already, oops, already off. And finally, the actual fuel pump in the off position, which is there, and it is in the off position. That's our checks done. Now we can do some cool stuff. So put myself back in my seat, open my window, open this control here to contact the ground crew. Contact ground crew. Start primary engines. Let him reply.
Copy.
Next, left engine magnetos on, on, on. Then the starters are quite difficult to get to. So down here, VI would be easier presumably. Left starter cover open. Left booster coil cover open. What we're going to do is press and hold left click on there, then move over here and press and hold right click and hold them both until the engine is started and idling. Press, press, wait. She's idling. Close that cover. We need to idle up to 1200 RPM, so let's just push her up a little bit. Done. I'm going to repeat the process on the right engine. Magneto on, open, open, left and hold, right and hold, wait. Sustaining, unclick, and push the right engine up to 1200 RPM. It's now going to be a case of warming up. We're going to go down to our radiator temperatures down here. Once we are reading temperature, basically once they are past 40 degrees, we'll turn our radiators on. So just wait until these start reading positive. Okay, reading positive temperature on left engine, left radiator on. Wait for the right engine, and it's reading temperature. Right radiator on. That is the engines warmed up enough to taxi, but not to take off, obviously. Shout through the window and ask our chocks to be removed in case we have them. Ground crew. Wheel chocks, remove.
Chief, remove the wheel chocks.
Get a response.
Wheel chocks are now removed.
Close the window. Ready for taxi.